Welcome to Tampere, Finland. Here is the camera rescue center. And then we get suitcases like this. The interest in film cameras has obviously been going up in the last 2 to 3 years because the prices have gone so much down from what they used to be.
Hi, my name is Adrian and I'm an intern here at Camera Rescue. Today we're gonna have Mathieu play with some special super wide lenses like this one. This is something you plug in inside a lens you have and it gives you 360 vision around you. This is a 8mm 2.8 by Nikon. It is super wide and comes with built-in filters because the front element is just too big, so you can't put anything in front, so they put this inside. So this is a Fuji GX617. It's a film camera made for professionals that shoot landscapes. So it's super wide, it's super big, and the negative is huge. So the negative it takes is 6 by 17 centimeters. So you take only 4 pictures with 1 roll of film. This thing is the viewfinder that it lets you see very wide. So this is what the lens sees, and now you're gonna see inside it. The whole set is 7,000 euros at the moment.
expensive stuff, cheap stuff, weird stuff, popular stuff. Most of them are lenses, so feel free to have a look around and use anything that you want and see what it can do.